How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, we are going to be going over my truck build and why I think personally this is the best daily driver kind of setup and build that you can go for. And I'm going to be going over pretty much a lot of the specs on this truck, how it comes stock from factory, and then what I did in mods. So as you guys know, if you've been following the channel, you've seen all the mods that I've done up to this point. But if you are new, this video will kind of recap all of those mods for you guys. But as you guys can see in front of me here, this is my 2025 GMC Sierra AT4 3-liter Duramax. And guys, this setup that I was going for on this truck was really the daily driver setup, at least what I think is the best daily driver. And I kind of want to start off with why I picked the GMC Sierra AT4 in particular. So first, as you guys can see, this is the off-road spec or kind of trim for a GM truck. Yeah, as you guys know, GM has Elevation, AT4, Denali Ultimate, and you guys know that we just picked up a 2026 Denali Ultimate. But anyways, this is the AT4, the off-road spec for GMC Sierras. So why I chose this truck in the first place was first the look of it. So this truck comes with a 2-inch factory lift. Also, you can see we have the red tow hooks here that come from factory. So the accents, I love the red accents on the sterling metallic that we have here. And also, we'll go over to the driver's side here. You guys can see, this is another reason why I picked the truck. The Kalahari inserts, the jet black with Kalahari inserts for the seats. And then you guys can see AT4 engraved in the headrest. I love this trim because it does give you that kind of off-road, but still daily driver. Anyways, let's get into what I've done to this truck to make it the perfect daily driver. So first of all, guys, you can see I do have different wheels, bigger wheels on there, and I have done a 2-inch ready lift kit to this truck, as you can see, just so from looking at it at a side angle, the truck looks a lot more level now. I know it's kind of hard to see with the shade there. Looks a lot more level now, which I love. And just the wheel and tire setup I'll get into in a second, but just the look of that 2-inch lift on top of the factory 2-inch lift looks really good in my opinion. The front sits perfect, a little bit higher than normal from factory, even with the AT4. So I love the look of this truck. I think it's perfect with that 2-inch ready lift on top of the 2-inch from factory. I think it looks perfect. Let's get into my wheel and tire setup here. So as you guys can see, I got Firestone Destination XTs on here. It's gonna be hard for you to see. So these are XTs, which I love because this truck came with MTs from factory and they were so loud, it was almost unbearable while you're on the highway. But as you can see, these are XTs, and what I have on here, it's gonna be hard to see for you guys, is a 285 60/20, which equals out to about a 34 if you're going in terms of that size for tires. And honestly, I think that's about as big as you're gonna get on this truck without having to trim or cut any of the molding for rubbing. But these tires are paired with, you can see, Fast HD Trax wheels, and I have a 20x10 on there with a -15 offset. So those are the wheels and tire setup that I have on my AT4. And as you guys can see here, they do poke out just the perfect amount, in my opinion. Again, for daily driving, I think it's perfect. But let's get into the next thing I did to this truck, and it's going to be the Boost Auto LumaStep M2 running boards. And these are power running boards because I don't know if you guys remember from the first video I made on this truck, the taking delivery, this truck came with no running boards. So anyways, I put on these power running boards, and as you guys can see, they drop down there. Just the perfect amount, so it still gives me clearance. And then when you're driving, obviously, they are up. So you have a ton of ground clearance there, which I love. Next thing I want to mention is the Duramax that this truck comes with. So as you guys can see here, I have the 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel. And look at the metallic shine in that paint actually while we're here. Truck looks so good while it's clean. But I wanted to mention the Duramax because as you guys can see, this is a full-size GMC Sierra AT4 crew cab, short bed. Let's see what kilometers I get per tank and liters per 100 kilometers. So as we fire this up, I will show you guys what I've been getting in terms of fuel economy. And you guys will be surprised. This isn't even the best you can get. This is just what I've been getting. So as you guys can see there, we have 10.9 liters per 100 kilometers. And I've gone 657 kilometers with a range of 194 left. So if you guys can do the math, you know, you have about 100. So yeah, you get roughly, I'm on track to get roughly, I don't know, 700-800 kilometers a tank, which was a huge reason why I picked the Duramax diesel, because I think it is the best engine for daily driving. But I'll give you guys a quick kind of walk around of the truck so you can see it from all angles, because I'm just in awe of how perfect this truck is in my opinion. Another thing to mention with the AT4 is a lot of this stuff does come standard with the AT4 trim package. So you get that multi-pro tailgate, which is an option. You get heated and ventilated seats, which the cooled seats are very nice in the summer. And there's just so many options that come with this package, which is, you know, it saves you from having to option all this stuff on separately, which could get expensive. So that's why I think the AT4 is the perfect package for this truck. The only thing to be aware of, or another thing is, if you guys do get that Duramax diesel, you have to get that fluid to put in as well, but that will come with it. Anyways, I love the way the truck sits now. I don't think, you know, maybe some more mods, some more cosmetic mods, but you guys need to let me know in the comments down below if you do anything else to this truck. And if you would, what would you do to make it, you know, that next level in your opinion? So just as a summary for you guys of my daily driver, this is what I drive on the daily, and with the wheel and tire setup, with the ready lift kit, I feel like this truck is just a beast to daily drive, and it's so much fun to drive. I love the way it looks coming down the road. But if you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like. Also comment down below, like I said, on if you guys would do anything else in your opinion to the truck, or if you think it's perfect the way it is. Yeah, let me know down below, and we will see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.